Have you ever wondered what your credit score is? It's a number that can significantly impact your financial life, from getting a loan to securing a credit card. But how do you actually find out your credit score? In today's video, we'll show you how to check your Transunion credit score for free. Imagine you're looking to buy a house. A good credit score can help you secure a favorable interest rate on your mortgage. Or perhaps you're applying for a new credit card. A high credit score can increase your chances of getting approved and potentially landing a better deal. The importance of credit scores. Your credit score is a 3-digit number that represents your creditworthiness. It's based on factors like your payment history, credit utilization, length of credit history, types of credit, and new credit. Lenders use this score to assess your risk before extending credit. Understanding Transunion. Transunion is one of the 3 major credit bureaus in the United States. Along with Experian and Equifax, it collects and reports credit information on consumers. Methods to check your Transunion credit score for free. Annualcreditreport.com. This is the official website authorized by the federal government to provide free credit reports from all 3 major credit bureaus. To get your Transunion credit report, visit annualcreditreport.com and follow the instructions. You can request a free report from each bureau once a year. Credit card companies. Many credit card companies offer free access to your credit score through their online portals or mobile apps. Check with your credit card provider to see if they provide this service. Credit monitoring services. Some credit monitoring services offer a free basic plan that includes access to your credit score. However, be cautious about signing up for these services, as they often have paid tiers with additional features. Bank websites. Many banks and financial institutions provide free access to your credit score as a perk for their customers. Check your bank's website or mobile app to see if they offer this service. Tips for checking your credit score. Check regularly. It's a good idea to check your credit score regularly, at least once a year, to monitor for any errors or changes. Dispute errors. If you find any errors on your credit report, dispute them with the credit bureau immediately. Build a positive credit history. To improve your credit score, make on-time payments on your bills, keep your credit utilization low, and avoid opening too many new accounts at once. Checking your Transunion credit score for free is a simple process that can provide valuable insights into your financial health. By understanding your credit score and taking steps to improve it, you can increase your chances of securing favorable terms on loans, credit cards, and other financial products. So, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and check your Transunion credit score today. Remember, knowledge is power, and understanding your credit score can put you in a stronger financial position. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.